Select the ellipse tool, press L, click and drag while holding Shift for a perfect circle. Open the gradient panel, choose a gradient type, for example, radial, and apply it to the fill. Set fill to none. Click the red slash. Ensure stroke color is active and weight is set, for example, 4 points, for border-only appearance. Go to Effect greater than Distort and Transform greater than Transform. Set horizontal scale and vertical scale to 99%, angle to 1 degree, copies to 200, then click OK. Repeat. Effect greater than Distort and Transform. Greater than Transform, adjust as needed. Follow with Effect greater than Distort and Transform greater than Zigzag. Experiment with size, ridges per segment, and absolute/relative for a wavy effect.